Good evening, everyone. My name is Abdullah Ali, and I'm here to inform you more about my major in engineering, mechatronics. So, what is mechatronics, and what are the job opportunities for a mechatronics engineer? According to Wikipedia, mechatronics engineering is a multidisciplinary field of science that includes a combination of mechanical engineering, electronics, computer engineering, telecommunication engineering, system engineering, and control engineering. This is the detailed definition of the term. To simplify it and to be more concise, mechatronics engineering is also referred to as robotics. It has a little bit of everything. One can learn about mechanical engines and electrical circuits, electronics, and even computer programming languages such as C++ and JavaScript. The first thing that attracted me to mechatronics engineering as a child was the movie Transformers. Not a very good reason to depend my future on, but who wouldn't enjoy watching a brand new black striped yellow Camaro transform to a human like robot? No one. The interest grew in me as I grew older. I then started to read more about the major until I had the decision to pursue my Bachelor's of Science degree in Mechatronics Engineering. I chose to study mechatronics engineering because it's a seemingly interesting new field in engineering. How is it interesting? Well, in addition to what I've previously mentioned, a mechatronics engineer is not restricted to a specific field such as electrical or mechanical engineering only, but rather will be knowledgeable about both. Mechatronics engineering is limitless. And by limitless, I'm referring to the wide variety of education and job opportunities available. According to Types of Engineering Degrees website, mechatronics engineers' job positions include robotics engineering, electromechanical engineering, software engineering, and mechanical designing engineering, and much more. Such notice the variation in these jobs. This shows that a mechatronics engineer is not constrained and has the qualifications to do what a mechanical, electrical, and computer science engineer could do, all combined. In other words, a mechatronics engineer can build, design, and program at the same time. Mechatronics engineers are one of the most highly paid engineers around the world because a person with such qualifications and who can actually do all this engineering work at once must be well paid, right? Especially when the field still has a lot more to be discovered. A question that you might be thinking of right now is how much does a mechatronics engineer make? In terms of numbers, according to Indeed.com, the average salary for a mechatronics engineer in New York is $115,000 annually, of course. Recruiter.com states that a mechatronics engineer gets an average compensation ranging from $64,000 and $96,000 based on tenure level. Mechatronics engineers mechatronics engineers can expect an average pay level of $88,800 on an annual basis. Similarly, Vaughn College states in its website that the starting salary for a BS mechatronics engineering student is $68,000, making mechatronics engineering the most highly paid major in the school, and that's only a starting salary. These previous numbers were only New York, but Recruiter.com mentions an example of the District of Columbia, and mentions that the mechatronics engineers are the most highly paid jobs with approximately $116,420. These are some information about up to, but not less than, how much a mechatronics engineer can make. Mechatronics engineering is all over the world now. The technology is ruling the world in a way or another, day after day. We now have hybrid vehicles, which are a combination of mechanical and electrical engineering, also known as electromechanical engineering, which is, by the way, not very different from mechatronics engineering. A car's outermost body appearance combined with the engine is mostly mechanical engineering, correct? Think of the engines and the machines used to put those body parts together. They're mostly robots, so this is completely robotics. Moreover, the wire's connectivity is basically electrical engineering. The GPS system is computer science engineering. So, in conclusion, the cars with this technology are classified under mechatronics engineering, since you learn in mechatronics how to build, connect, and program. Everything around us is Everything around us is starting to relate to mechatronics in a way or another, from computers to phones and even cars. The reason I said it's starting to is because there's still much more in mechatronics to discover. For instance, ECPI University uses an alarm system to not only reference what mechatronics has added to our lives, but also to what mechatronics can still provide. The university states many home alarm systems incorporate the ability to make adjustments by communicating through with a smartphone. We can expect more applications of this type of technology in the future involving sensors, remote control units, and robotics. When you think about it, what corporation, institution, or hospital that does not make use of the necessity of an alarm system? ECPI University also mentions the application of mechatronics engineering in the intelligent washing machines that are able to determine the capacity of laundry the washing machine takes and only delivers the appropriate amount of water rather than the full load. Such technology helps consume only the needed amount of water and is very efficient. Since water scarcity is becoming a major threat to some countries all over the world, mechatronics engineering will help compensate time and manufacture products more efficiently. Just as other fields of the world have advanced along with the speed and discoveries of the 20th century, the field of mechatronics has been improving and progressing in its innovations. I believe that mechatronics engineering will dominate the future one day. And thank you.